Hello, in this video I want to show you how to enable or disable 11-point white balance correction on a JVC Smart TV. To do this, first we'll need to click on the settings button in the top right corner of our screen, navigate to device preferences, scroll down to the picture, inside scroll down again until you find 11-point white balance correction. We can click on it to enable or disable it. When it is enabled, we can find many different settings regarding it, like again right here that we can adjust between 5% to 100%. Then there's a red, green or blue colors that we can adjust using sliders. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.